Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Competitive Botany. In this video, you are going to learn important bits from the general characters of algae. Let's go to the class. Which algae shows clear apical basal polarity? Answer is Oedogonium. From which algae multiflagellated zoospores are reported? Answer is Oedogonium. What type of conditions that promotes sexual reproduction in Oedogonium? Answer is nitrogen deficiency and alkaline pH. Two types of species are recognized in Oedogonium. What are they? Macrandrus species and Nanandrus species. In Oedogonium, Nanandria or dwarf males are developed by the germination of. Answer is androspore. How many anthrozoids are produced in single antheridium of Oedogonium? Answer is 2 anthrozoids. Filaments of Oedogonium bear both oogonia and androsporangia. Those filaments are called as gynandrosporous. If filaments bear only androsporangia, those are called as idiandrosporous. Life cycle of Oedogonium is haplontic life cycle. Spirogyra is popularly known as pond silk or water silk. Mosses of floating Spirogyra in a pond are supported by bubbles of gas. That gas is nothing but oxygen. Spirogyra was first discovered by the scientist Link. The shape of the chloroplast in Spirogyra is spiral or ribbon shape. The thin-walled spores produced in Spirogyra are aplonospores. The advanced type of conjugation that occurs in Spirogyra is, the answer is scalariform conjugation. In Spirogyra, during sexual reproduction, male gametes show. The answer is amoeboid movement. The only diploid structure that produced in Spirogyra life cycle is, the answer is zygospore. Which enzyme dissolves the tips of conjugating protuberances in Spirogyra? Answer is cytase. Spirogyra filaments showing lateral conjugation are, answer is homothalic. Direct lateral conjugation observed in Spirogyra gigansis by the scientist known as M.O.P. Iyengar. Sexual reproduction in Spirogyra takes place by the process of, answer is conjugation. Method of azygospore formation in Spirogyra is, answer is parthenogenesis. The diploid phase in the life cycle of Spirogyra is zygospore. Growth of sargassum occurs by, answer is apical cell. What is the conducting strand in sargassum is medulla. The fertile branches of sargassum are, answer is receptacles. The sterile flask-shaped structures of sargassum are called dash and their openings are called osteoles. The sterile flask-shaped structures of sargassum are called as cryptostomata. The product of photosynthesis in sargassum is, answer is mannitol. In Ectocarpus, If a plant bears both unilocular and plurilocular sporangia, then it is called as sporophytic plant body. In ectocarpus, during fertilization, male gametes attach themselves to the female gamete by the anterior flagellum, which is long and whiplash type of flagella. The life cycle of ectocarpus is, answer is isomorphic of alteration of generations. In Polysiphonia, non-motile male gametes are produced from spermatangia, are called as, answer is spermatium. The female reproductive structure in Polysiphonia is, answer is carpagonium. The basal swollen part of the carpagonium of Polysiphonia has an egg and the upper narrow and elongated neck, that is called as, answer is trichogyne. Diploid carposporophyte is the characteristic of the genus, answer is Polysiphonia. Each carposporangium produces single uninucleate diploid spores. They are called as carpospores. On germination, the carpospores form a diploid asexual thallus called as tetrasporophyte. Polysiphonia exhibits a special kind of alteration of generations which is called triphasic.